Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the crypto world, you know how important it is to move your assets around securely. Today, we're tackling how to transfer Chainlink from Crypto.com to Binance in 2025. Chainlink, or Link, is a popular token for smart contracts, and transferring it between exchanges like Crypto.com and Binance can help you diversify or trade more effectively. Don't worry, I'll walk you through this step by step, so even if you're new, you'll get it done in no time. First things first, ensure you have accounts set up on both Crypto.com and Binance. Make sure your Chainlink tokens are in your Crypto.com wallet and that you've enabled two-factor authentication for security. It's 2025, so let's stay safe. Step 1. Open the Crypto.com app or website and log in to your account. Head over to your wallet section and select Chainlink from your list of assets. Step 2. Choose the Withdraw or Transfer option. You'll need to specify the network. Chainlink typically uses the Ethereum blockchain, so double-check that it's set to ERC20 to avoid any issues. Step 3. Now, switch to your Binance account. Go to your wallet, find Chainlink, and generate or copy your deposit address. This is crucial. Never use an address from another cryptocurrency. Step 4. Back on Crypto.com. Paste the Binance wallet address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Chainlink you want to transfer, but remember to leave room for network fees, which can vary based on Ethereum's gas prices in 2025. Step 5. Review everything carefully. One wrong digit in the address could mean lost funds. Hit confirm, and you'll get a transaction confirmation. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. Once it's complete, log back into Binance and check your wallet to ensure the Chainlink has arrived. Pro tip: always keep an eye on transaction fees and use tools like blockchain explorers to track your transfer. And there you have it. That's how you transfer Chainlink from Crypto.com to Binance in 2025. It's straightforward once you know the steps, but if you run into any hiccups, drop a comment below. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching, and stay crypto savvy.